Hello everyone, today we are going to see example for minors and cofactors. Here we have given matrix A of order 3 by 3 and we have to find minors and cofactors for all these 9 elements. Okay, now we know that minor is denoted by this capital letter M, I, J. This is for element Aij, right? So what is here? This minor. We have to find all 9 minors. So we will write here first minor for this A11 element. So how to find minor for this element? We know that what we have to do? We have to exclude this first row and first column, and remaining element we have to write in determinant. So remaining elements are here 3 2 4 0, right? So similarly minor for next element, this element. Okay, so we have to exclude this first row and second column, remaining element are in determinant. We have to write here, this is okay. Next we have minor for this third element A13. So remaining element we have to write in determinant by excluding this first row and third column. Okay, so remaining element, yes, what we have done, we have exclude first row and third column. Okay, similarly we have here, this is minor for this element, right? So this is here M21. Okay, so what we have to do now here, we have to exclude the second row and first column, so remaining element, this is 6140. We have written here indeterminate form. Okay, next we have this minor for A22. That means we have to exclude the second row and second column. Okay, remaining element, these are 1 1 minus 1 0. Yes, next we have minor for A23. That means for this element. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to exclude this second row and third column. So remaining element 1 6 minus 1 4. Okay, similarly we have next here minor for this A31. Okay, so what is now here, we will exclude this third row and first column. So remaining element here in determinant. Next minor for A32. That means for this element. Okay, so remaining element A32, that means this one. We have to exclude this third row and second column. Okay, so remaining element 1102. Yes, so next we have this minor for A33. That means this element. Okay, so this is A33, we have to exclude. This is third row, third column. Remaining element here, this is what? 1603. By excluding this third row and third column. We have to write here in determinant. Okay, so we have write down here all minors in determinant form, and now we have to simplify this. Okay, now we know how to simplify. So this is a determinant of order 2 by 2, right? So how to solve this one here? We have to do the cross multiplication. 3 into 0, this is 0, and this minus 2 into 4, this is minus 8, right? So similarly we will do all this simplification. Okay, so what we have done, we have done here all simplification by solving this 2 by 2 determinant. Okay, so now next we have to find cofactors. Okay, so we know that how to find cofactors. Cofactors are denoted by this letter Cij, this for element Aij, right? And we know how to find Cij by using this formula. What is that formula? This is minus 1 raised to this is I plus j into minor of that element, right? Okay, this is minor. We have find this here. We have find all these 9 minor. Okay, so we have to find all cofactors for all these 9 elements. Okay, so we will find here first cofactor for first element. So it will be denoted by C11. How to use this formula here? We have to write minus 1 raised to this is 1 plus 1 into that minor m11, right? So minus 1, this is here square minor, right? And what here minus 1 is square, that means plus into that minor, right? Plus of that minor. Okay, so what we got here? We got here this is C11 is equals to what? Plus of that minor. Next we know that these cofactors and minors are related by this plus minus sign, and plus minus sign is due to this minus 1 raised to I plus j. Okay, for our simplification what we have done, we have write down all this plus minus sign in one matrix. This is, we have called this matrix as a cofactor sign matrix, right? This is we have called as a cofactor sign matrix. This is only we have done for our simplification. Okay, that means what? When we have to find C11, we will use this plus of minor of this A11, right? Okay, so next what will we have? C12. C12 will write this is negative of minor of A12, right? So all these minors we can find all in this way. So what we have to do here now? C13, what is C13? C13 is equals to here this one plus of this A13 minor. Okay, in this way we will write down all this relation, right? So first we will do here, we will write all these minors. Okay, we have write down all these minors here. So from this one we will directly write down all cofactors. So what is C11 now? How to write this is C11? What will we do here? C11 is equals to this, what we have here, this one plus of that minor, that means here this is minus 8. Then C12, what we have to do for finding C12? That means we have to use this negative sign. So negative of this minor, right? So also you can check here, this is 1 plus 2, 3, and minus 1 raised to 3 is a negative. So this is negative of this minor. Okay, so this is here C13 now here 1 plus 3, that is 4, minus 1 raised to 4, that is positive. So here we get here this plus sign. So this is plus means we will write this is plus means that is as it is. Okay, then we have this is C31, that means what is here? Sorry, this one here C21 means 2 plus 1 3. So negative of this one, that means here that get plus. Okay, so next here C22 is here, that means plus of this one. Okay, then C23 means negative of this one, right? C31 that means plus of this one. Then C32 means 3 plus 2, this is 5, minus 1 raised to 5, that means minus, so minus of this one. And C33, so what is C33 now? This is plus of this, right? So yes, so we have taken the help of this matrix here, right, for finding cofactors from all these minors. Yes, so what we have done here, we have find first all minors, and we know how to find minor or element Aij. What we have to do, we have to exclude this ith row and jth column, and remaining element we have to write in determinant form. In this way we have find all minus and here all cofactors, right? Okay, so this is for minus and cofactors. Yes, thank you.